In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your industry on LinkedIn. Updating your industry on LinkedIn helps recruiters, potential clients, and your network understand what space you operate in. It influences what content you see, who discovers you in search, and how your profile is categorized. Let's walk through the exact clicks so you can make this change confidently in just a minute or two. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type LinkedIn and press Enter. In the results, click the official LinkedIn website. If you're prompted to sign in, do that now. Being signed in ensures you can access your profile settings. Using Google is a simple way to find the correct site quickly, but once you're in, we'll navigate directly within LinkedIn. At the top of the LinkedIn homepage, look for the Me menu. It's the circular profile photo or the word Me near the top right corner. Click it to open the drop-down menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn keeps all your account controls, including the section for updating basic profile details like your name, location, and industry. Inside Settings and Privacy, select Account Preferences. This is typically listed in the left sidebar or along the top, depending on your screen size. Once you're in Account Preferences, find and click the option labeled Name, Location, and Industry. This opens the editor for your core profile details, which is where the industry field lives. Now, locate the industry section. It's a searchable field that draws from LinkedIn's standardized list, which helps keep profiles consistent and easy to find. Click into the field and start typing your new industry. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. Choose the closest, most accurate match rather than a vague or overly niche label. If you're transitioning careers, pick the industry you want to be discovered in going forward. For example, someone moving from education to software could select information technology and services or computer software, depending on the role focus. Aim for the option that best aligns with your current or target positions and the audience you want to reach. When you're satisfied with the selection, click Save. Give it a moment to update. Your industry is now refreshed across your profile and will help tailor what you see and how others find you. If you're refining your branding, consider later aligning your headline and About section with this new industry so everything tells a consistent story. That's it. Your LinkedIn industry is updated. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along click by click.